Hello and welcome to the fourth and final orientation video for how to use Moodle and the course interface. This last video or tutorial, whatever you want to call it, I wanted to explain to you how the course was set up and how you could find things. We've done a little bit about that in the other videos, but I just want to make sure that you understand. With the course, you've been in it now a couple times looking through this. Basically, the most important things are your weekly assignments are here at the top. So every week you can click on week one and see what we're doing that week. It has an explanation of what we're doing, where you can find it, and so that makes it, I think it makes it easier for you to do that. It's also in the syllabus, but I would check here to make sure that this is where the latest information is. The syllabus is kind of a guide for the course, but every week I'll have the assignments in here. So this is a good place to go to find out what you have to do each week and making sure you get things done. Basically, you're going to have an assignment or two each week. You're going to have a discussion board or two each week, and then you're going to also be doing a journal posting at the end of each week. That's how most of the course is going to work. We have down here the orientation, which there'll be a few things. There's some resources here that you can use for the orientation when we get started. Eventually, I'll just turn that off so you don't have to worry about cluttering your page. You've seen the course tools and downloads for the course. Basically, the course is going to run two main projects, and everything's going to be based off those projects. The first one we call the Save the World project, for lack of a better title. We're just basically going to work through this one to do most of the stuff with the Microsoft Office products. You can see some of that in here. Some of this is going to change a little bit, but for the most part, it's pretty much set as what we're going to be doing with it. The second project, so this will take us a while. Maybe, I think we could probably get through all of this in 9 weeks. If we don't, it's not urgent. But we're going to basically work through Word and Excel and PowerPoint. So here's where the assignments will be found on what specifically you have to do. And then the second project is going to be a social entrepreneurship project, which I don't have the assignments in here yet. I have some, I just didn't want to post them yet because I'm not quite sure how it's all going to work out. But we're going to try to do in the social entrepreneurship project, we're going to take the issue or cause that we researched and did up here in the Save the World project, and then I was going to have you try to put together some type of viable business to address that issue. So that's the two main projects we're going to do, and we'll be doing a bunch of assignments within those. The next part of the page will give you all of your resources for Word and Excel, and I've already showed you that in the other tutorials, and PowerPoint. And you also have the resources on the side over here. There'll be a few over here. And I'll be sharing other ones with you throughout the course as they come up. But basically, most of the stuff is going to be on the page that you're going to need for the course. Each week, you're going to post to the course journal, which is up here in the top block. And I showed you how to use a course journal in the last video. You're going to post weekly to there. I'm looking for a reflection on what you learned this week. I'm not looking for, I learned about Microsoft Word and how to create a research paper. I'm looking for more detail. So I want you to actually reflect on what you got out of that week. And hopefully you're going to learn something every week. So it's important that you reflect on that, mainly for your own learning, but it also helps me to understand how I'm doing and what I can do better, or what I need to do to make sure that you're achieving what you need to achieve in this course. We'll also be doing the discussion forum. The course discussion forum is also in the top block. You'll be able to use that. We're going to be using that every week, so you'll become very familiar with that. I'm looking for discussion. I'm not looking for just one post. I'd like you to post to me and then respond to at least one classmate each week, and then I'd like to see us continue discussions. And sometimes we'll continue the discussion into the next week if I feel like you didn't get where we needed to get on that one topic. So I really would like that to be a discussion. So it's nice if you get the discussion forum done. I know it's due on the Sunday each week by midnight, but I'd like it to be, if you could, get on there earlier in the week and post those so we can have some discussion throughout the week on that topic. So that's important as well. That's about it. I think everything else is pretty self-explanatory. I don't think you're going to have any problems finding anything. I don't think. If you do, again, just email me. My email address is here at the top. I have that to my cell phone, so I will get any emails immediately. So I can get back to you as soon as I possibly can with an answer. And again, as always, you can use the course announcements and questions form to do that as well. Hopefully you're ready to go. Get started with this course. I'm looking forward to it. I hope you are too. And I can't wait to meet you guys online and get moving with this. Thanks a lot, and good luck.